The eruption of Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai wasn't just a geological event, it was a digital phenomenon. For the first time in history, a volcanic disaster was witnessed, shared, and archived in real time by millions around the globe. Not just by professionals or scientists, but by everyday people with smartphones. This segment of Infinity Beyond explores how social media transformed our understanding of the eruption, and how platforms like TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube became unexpected tools for geoscience. Within minutes of the explosion, videos began surfacing online. In Tonga, residents filmed walls of water crashing into villages, clouds of ash blanketing the sky, and even the sound shockwave, which echoed with a deep, otherworldly rumble. Although much of Tonga lost communication due to undersea cable damage, a handful of clips were uploaded in the immediate hours before the blackout. Thousands of kilometers away, people in New Zealand, Fiji, and even Alaska uploaded videos of sonic booms, air pressure shifts, and tide surges. One viral TikTok from Samoa showed the sky lighting up with a distant flash, just seconds before a loud blast, evidence of how the eruption's energy traveled through the air. Then came the satellite overlays. Data from Goes West and Himawari 8 was synced with civilian videos, showing the mushroom cloud as it expanded, and how it correlated with wave arrivals in various regions. Scientists on Twitter began stitching together footage with timestamps to build a timeline of the eruption and its worldwide impact. Astonishingly, some of the most valuable footage came from doorbell cameras and home security systems. In California, smart devices picked up low-frequency rumbling and pressure changes, essentially serving as accidental seismographs. Several clips were used by researchers to triangulate the arrival time of the atmospheric wave in North America. But perhaps the most unexpected outcome was how social media became a real-time archive. On YouTube, long-form live streams showed people reacting to tsunami alerts. On Reddit, meteorology and geology communities pieced together wind data, eruption physics, and satellite readings. And on Twitter, volcanologists used hashtags to direct the public toward verified information and debunk myths as they emerged. This wasn't just public participation. It was citizen science on a global scale. The Tonga eruption marks the first time that crowdsourced video and audio were used to supplement official scientific datasets for a volcanic event. In fact, several academic papers have already cited TikTok and YouTube footage as primary data sources, helping to model the eruption's acoustic profile and global wave propagation. But there were challenges. Misinformation spread quickly. Some users uploaded footage of unrelated eruptions, passing them off as Hunga Tonga. Others exaggerated tsunami heights or shared edited audio to create more drama. Platforms had to respond quickly, and scientists scrambled to separate fact from fiction. Still, the overall impact was overwhelmingly positive. Never before had the public been so deeply involved in documenting a planetary-scale disaster. And for scientists, it was a rare opportunity to study human reactions to a natural catastrophe in real time, from fear and awe to curiosity and collaboration. This fusion of technology, human behavior, and geoscience has now become a model for future disaster response. Several space and climate agencies are developing platforms to integrate social media inputs into live monitoring dashboards, combining satellite data with on-the-ground reports. Imagine a world where your smartphone could become part of the global early warning system, where a video you upload might help track a tsunami wave or confirm the arrival of a shockwave. We're not far from that world now. As we look ahead, the Hunga Tonga eruption serves as a stark reminder that we are all observers of Earth's story, not just through science, but through the lens in our pockets. In Segment 6, we'll explore the long-term recovery of Tonga, and how nations respond to large-scale natural disasters in the age of climate instability. Stay tuned with Infinity Beyond, because the way we understand disasters is evolving, one upload at a time.